Do you want to know most 3 powerful candlestick patterns for intraday trading? In this video, I shared already 2 types of candle. Try to point off those candles. Hi everyone, welcome to MoneyGuide. Keep learning, keep earning. Pre-market report. Bank Nifty opens in slight up by 32 points. Market started and breaks our intraday level 51,950 and given a target of 51,750. 200 points given within a minute. How the market gives respect to the levels and closed inside 51,750 in 5 minutes. This candle is called strength candle. If this candle break and close 51,750, then we can go for the PE side for a target of S2. How the second candle will be formed. If second candle 5 minutes candle shows a strength in the candle, we can take the PE position. Let's wait and see. Candle we can't take an entry because it has no strength in the candle. And Pinbar at support level in 5 minutes. Market may be reversed from here. Reversed and taken support at S1 51,950. In the analysis video 52,110, 51,950, in this range we don't have to take any trade. To work according to our plan. See how perfectly it was reversed from the levels. Analysis: if market breaks 52,110 or 51,750, we can take an entry. If the market breaks with a strong candle, very strength candle only, we have to take the entry. Powerful candles which works 200% in market. Do you want to know about those candles? Please comment below. I will make a separate video on it. Do you feel the information provided in this video is helpful? Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. For live to come on live, we must have a minimum subscribers, so please subscribe to my channel. If in live I can give you more practical knowledge, how to take and trade, how to take a stop loss, how to keep a target, everything. Theoretical is different, practical is different. Be patient and learn in the stock market. Keep learning, keep earning. Thank you so much.